make our favorite chocolate milkshake in 3 different ways. First method, I'm going to use this chocolate. In second method, I'm going to use cocoa powder. And for third method, I'm going to use homemade chocolate syrup. You can check out this recipe on my previous video how to make chocolate syrup. For the first method, I am adding 40 grams of chocolate. You can use any chocolate. Here I used Nestle 10 rupees packet, 2 numbers, 1 tablespoon of sugar and a cup of milk. If you are using dark chocolate, then add a little bit more sugar. Here I used boiled chilled milk. If you are using packet milk, then you need not to boil because that is already pasteurized. I have not added any ice cubes for these 3 methods to make thick milkshakes. So for chillness, refrigerate the milk and use. Blend everything together by using mixer or blender. For the second method, we're gonna prepare in healthy way. For that, add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of palm jaggery, half teaspoon of coffee powder and a cup of milk. Blend well using a mixer. For the third method, I have not used any blender or mixer. In an easy way, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3 tablespoons of chocolate syrup and a cup of milk into your water bottle. Now shake it well like this. Milkshake is ready to drink. Here I have not used any ice creams, so you can simply prepare this chocolate milkshake in your home. Enjoy this summer with this chocolate milkshake. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, click the like button and share this to your friends.